Welcome back to our news bulletin. As the global death toll from the new coronavirus crosses 13,000, 1 billion people worldwide are confined to their homes. Nigeria and Rwanda have implemented a lockdown, while Pakistan has shut down all shopping malls and eateries after a spike in the infections. Details from the world in this report.
The raging COVID-19 epidemic has forced lockdowns in 35 countries, including Australia, the US, and Europe. India has imposed a 14-hour-long curfew to limit the fast-spreading coronavirus epidemic in the country, while Cyprus, Gaza, Angola, Eritrea, and Uganda have recently joined the unfortunate club, reporting their first infections. Spain's Prime Minister Pedro Sanchez warns the worst is yet to come.
Desgraciadamente,
Unfortunately, the worst is yet to come. There are still hard days ahead. We will still have to receive the impact of the hardest, most damaging wave, which will put all material and moral capacities to the limit, also our strength as a society.
But there appears to be hope, as China reported only one new domestically transmitted case of the COVID-19 after 3 consecutive days of no new cases. President Xi Jinping, after successfully bottling the pandemic at home, has called the leaders of France, Germany, Spain, and Serbia to offer support. The World Health Organization, too, sees China's containment of the outbreak a ray of hope for the rest of the world.
It's a message of hope. It's a message that this virus can be suppressed. We can break chains of transmission. It takes a huge effort. It takes an all-of-society effort. It takes coordination. It takes solidarity. It takes activated communities. It takes brave health workers. It takes supply chains that work. It takes commitment. So I think there's a message of hope there from China.
More than a third of Americans are in various phases of lockdown, with more states expected to ramp up restrictions.